Before we start, please be aware that this training explores sensitive issues. Some people may find this subject matter challenging. All web links and numbers are available in the document which accompanies this training video. Let's talk sharing nudes and semi-nudes and where to find the latest digital resilience resources, information and guidance to support you. It's important to remember that not all children and young people are taking and sharing nudes and semi-nudes. But for those who are, the potential risks and impact can be significant, particularly when their images are shared without their consent. This probably isn't a new issue in your school, but there are new developments to be aware of, which we'll cover in this training. In this short training video, you'll find out more about how you can stay up to date with the recent developments on image sharing and safety concerns, prevent incidents by educating yourself, your learners, and their families, and respond effectively both within your school and through relevant support services. Section 1. Understanding the latest developments and safety concerns. Young people under 18 might share images with peers, people who they are in romantic relationships with, or even strangers. Dealing with situations involving peers can be tricky, as there can be many reasons behind their actions, some more harmful than others. Remember, context is important. Images can be shared consensually or non-consensually, and there can be a range of other factors at play. It is an offence to take, make, show, possess, or distribute indecent images of anyone under the age of 18. But the police now view many incidents that only involve under 18s as a safeguarding concern rather than a criminal one. It's important to know this. For more advice, refer to the Welsh Government Responding to Sharing Nudes and Semi-Nudes guidance when developing procedures for handling incidents in your school. You can find it in the Keeping Safe Online area of Hub. Online grooming. Young people may also be contacted or groomed by adults online. It could be someone they know or a complete stranger. This can happen on popular platforms and apps which many of us might consider safe environments. Remember, adults requesting or sharing nude images of people under 18 is a criminal offence. Sextortion. Sextortion is a serious form of sexually coerced blackmail that's affecting teenagers, especially boys. Criminals often befriend young people and then threaten to share embarrassing material unless they comply with demands for more images or money. It's important to recognise the signs and help learners stay safe from harm. The use of generative artificial intelligence, also known as Gen AI, is becoming popular. People are abusing these tools to create false or harmful content, including sexual images or deepfakes. Despite being computer-generated, photos can look real, making it hard to know what's genuine and what's not. There have also been incidents in schools where learners have digitally manipulated images or used AI to generate naked images of other children. These can circulate and cause severe emotional distress to victims. You can access relevant guidance, training, and classroom resources at the end of this video. Section 2. educating yourself, your learners, and their families. Educating yourself. Sharing nudes can lead to embarrassment, bullying, and can put learners at risk of blackmail and exploitation. Relationships and sexuality education plays a vital role in enhancing learners' well-being and safety. Sharing nudes can be a sensitive issue to discuss with learners, but there are guides and training available to help you. Educating learners. It's important to help children and young people understand the risks of sharing nudes and semi-nudes. Teaching digital citizenship is a good place to start. It opens up conversations about topics like false identity online, consent, and what to do if something makes them feel uncomfortable. While you can remind learners to be careful about what they share online, sometimes it's hard to spot the signs that a learner needs help. The online issues and worries advice for children and young people can be accessed independently. It includes information on what to do if children are worried about issues including sharing nudes, online sexual harassment, and online grooming. You can access relevant resources at the end of this video. Educating families. Collaboration between schools, parents and carers ensures that children receive consistent messages about responsible online behaviour. You can access dedicated advice for parents and carers, including app guides for families to discuss sensitive issues and how to use them safely. Section 3. Ensuring an effective response. Disclosures. Different situations can lead to a variety of incidents, but it's crucial to take it seriously if a child or young person confides in you. Let the designated safeguarding person know as soon as possible. In dealing with these incidents, it's important to keep in mind the idea of fairness and make sure the main priority is always the safety and well-being of the learners involved. How these incidents are responded to directly affects the culture of the setting. Handled well, it can make others feel safe to share their experiences too. Supporting learners. When young people feel like they're responsible for the harm they've experienced, it can stop them from seeking help. If you do become aware of an incident, the most important thing is to reassure them that they have done the right thing in speaking up. While the online behaviours for children and young people might be different to your own, it's important to listen and keep an open mind so you can learn more about their lived experiences. Signposting to further support. Children and young people can use Childline's Report Remove tool if they're worried about nude images or videos that have been or might be shared publicly. The process is child-centred, does not identify them, and ensures the child will not inadvertently be criminalised. If they do not have a trusted adult to talk to, children and young people can report grooming, sexual abuse, and exploitation to CEOP. Reporting services. For further information on how to get harmful content removed, see our Report an Online Issue page, which includes information on specialist reporting services. Our confidential support page also provides information on free helplines and services that you or your learners may want to access. You can find it in the Keeping Safe online area of Hub. Thank you for your participation in today's training. If you'd like to find out more, please download the summary document that accompanies this video in the training section of Keeping Safe Online.